2013 NFL season.
Okay, this is Skylar.
This is Taz.
We need a name for this one.
For this one.
Name for this one.
Oh, nice doggy. Nice doggy. You still love me, don't you?
You don't like being filmed, do you? No, I know what you do like. Squirrels! Where's the squirrel?
How do you feel about that cone in your head?
Oh my gosh. Sadie, I told you to wait. I'll make you dinner.
Stevie, what did you do?
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Do you like high fives? Because we do.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Trooper, if you don't listen to me and go outside, I'm gonna get your leash.
Okay. You are impossible!
Hey, you guys hungry?
Outside. Squirrel. Kitty. Treat.
You're gonna get neutered.
Stick 'em up. Bang!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
So I heard a lot of noise upstairs, and this is what I found.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sometimes I feel like we're just not on the same page. Are you listening to me right now?
Who's excited? Who's excited? Who's excited? You're excited, aren't you?
That means it's time to go to the vet.
Look back at it. Ass so big, I told her look back at it. Look back at it. Look back at it.
Abby wants you to pick Bridge to make.
Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Run! It's a stampede!
Hey bro, I'm going to get a movie. You want to come? No? What if I get our bud? Works every single time.
Nailed it.
Rómpele su madre.
Yeah, dangerous and unpredictable.
Yeah, I'm sure he'll clinch down any second. I'm sure.
I keep bringing you this gift. You keep throwing it away. Please keep it this time. Please keep it, please.
No!
Guys want to come over tonight?
No.
We have a puppy?
It's working.
Babe, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm, girl. Chill.
Get off me, you.
Piggyback ride.
If anyone ever gets mad at you, all you have to do is show them one of these. Alright.
I'm dying back here, man. Killer vibe. One more time.
So Kane thinks he's a freaking lapdog. I mean, really, man? Okay.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna.
His final throw.
What up? I got a huge bone. Nah, I'm just pumped. I got adopted to a new home. Tags on my neck that be so flossy.
You wanna go outside?
I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different.
Dogs will do anything for a treat. Spin around, spin around. Now go fix the cabinet.
Stay.
Steal. You found me.
Hey, Fluffy. I'm gonna eat all your treats.